Now listen up, everybody. This is serious.
Surprise, motherfucker.
You see that sign?
Right. Learn it. Know it. Live it.
Well,
alla rotonda, svolta a destra.
Jesus. Fucking hell. That truck. Just in case they're too big. What is she?
Stupid morons.
This is a sign for dumb or stupid, or you're gonna slam that hand against your other hand to show the sign for dumb or stupid as being really intense. Bastard.
You're shit.
Okay, people, move along. There's nothing to see here.
The umpires to doubt themselves now more than anything. It's like, we'll go...
What the fuck are you doing?
So you're talking about the goal review.
Score review.
Yeah, score reviews are shambles, Nick. I don't disagree with you there. The score review is an embarrassment.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
What the fuck are you doing?
Okay, we've established that.
Fuck me dead.
Talk that some of these lower-ranked players, they're not even going... They're talking about not even showing up to Wimbledon or to play because that they can't get points. Now, with the prize money, I assume the prize money is still the same as what it would be. Why? Can you explain to me why they would choose...
A few moments later.
...tennis players? To me, there's got to be more to it than just making a protest, because a protest from a battler is going to mean not as much.
Come on! Come on, go! Go! What the fuck are you doing?
It is an interesting one, though. And you get a
Fucking wanker!
because can we do it after the news? Can we do it after the news? Can you hold it? I don't know if I ask you to hold a thought that's dangerous.
What do you think?
Hey, up yours, asshole!
Wow, that was quick.
Big shout out for his birthday. Happy birthday, Ethan. I hope you can have a fantastic day.
That was quick of himself. Fucking idiot, mate. Seriously. Using the bus lane, but you know, we're special. We can do whatever we like. What's going on here? Accident. Rear. Oh, look at that. Shit. Overturned. Wow. That was fucking smart, mate. Seriously. Fucking U-turn there.
Nice one, dipshit. Not a pedestrian. Stay on the road. so impressive of you.
Fuck this shit, I'm out.
Fuck you! No, you can't filter down there. Nah, that's illegal. No way. No brain.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Shootouts, what do we do? We're gonna go back for him?
No, you never go back. Never go back.
What? What do you mean you never go back? You just lost your kicker, man!
You never go back.
Nice. That's it.
Oh, you dickhead. You special that one.
Where's this dick going? You can't turn out of that lane. Oh, here we go. Watch.
I like it!
They didn't pass the Senate, and I think, Phil, that the Jim, that the reality is...
Ah, yes, let's do a U-turn at a traffic light. Why not?
Coming up to 14 minutes past 10. We'll take a break on the other side of this. I want to have a chat to you about vaping.
Typical wombat. Another fucking Camry driver.
We had a few of those oral submissions today, arguments against parole that
Ah, yes, absolutely. Don't even stop.
Still deniers. That's almost.
That's all in my head now, and I do think none of Mark Cyrus nor of Dolly Parker, I do think you're very well.
Good one, bloody Camry driver.
You know, gaming the polls. Do you give them a wrong answer? I think that is a problem with annoying polls that phone you up with an automated system, which is one of the reasons why I don't use them. But I think most...
Fuck it.
And we have various sort of security questions throughout our surveys, and other pollsters do too.
Boy, my Wally.
People are being consistent, so we might ask them vote multiple times, for example. We ask them questions, you know, those mechanisms where we would ask them what colour is this or what can you see in this picture, so we know it's not a robot, for example, and lots of other little
Are you fucking stupid? Are you fucking stupid? I've got a fucking green light. Get out of me fucking way. Dumb fuck. Don't know what a fucking red light is.
stop the rod and respond to the
outstanding report of the Royal Commission into residential aged
Oh, that is so close.
The All Ords has closed down 72. The Aussie dollar 69.6 US cents.
Fucking pay attention, you stupid bitch. Did you see that?
No, I didn't even.
Law will go fuck yourself and then you're screwed. If they know the law, then you're screwed.
Shit.
Oh. Dickhead.
That was so dangerous.
Straight to Scotty.
Oh, here we fucking go. What a fuckhead. What an absolute bastard.
Red light.
Manual recording on.
Oh. Scotty, we'll make you a superstar.
Dave's at Rainbow. Dave?
Murmurations.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, chasing them.
Oh.
Get one. Go.
Do your own thing.
Oh.